Shiba Inu is in a make it or break it scenario right now, and I want to just show you guys some key data which makes me think that it could almost be repeating history. And if this happens, this could be absolutely massive. Remember guys, most of the holders of Shiba are Ethereum whales. They control the market and they want you to FOMO in. Of course, there's potential to the upside, but when you have your small fragment that you hold, maybe if you're a retail investor, you've got a couple $100, when you compound that over millions of people, you can soon become the exit liquidity for big whales out there. And that's usually how it works. So this thing is going to move quick. And if it does go up again, you know, they want you to feel hopeful right now. They want you to feel doubtful. And if this does surge again, you're going to feel more FOMO and potentially buy in even more Shiba Inu, effectively pumping the bags of the whales that got in really early even more. So this could be round 2 coming up. The good news is Shiba Inu has still got tons of search volume, which is really good. It shows us loads of global interest. And we can see that is definitely key right here. And that is definitely proven right here from March to 2024. The data still looks pretty strong. So let's just talk about Shiba very quickly. I want to just show you something that really made me think, whoa, and like this is really crazy. And I just want to say also thanks for anyone new here. So $20 billion market cap on Shiba, 0.000034. I'm not saying Shiba won't go down in price anymore, but you know, this is what I really hope happens. Also, comment down below, like this video for a chance to win $100. I'm going to pick a random person out in the comments, so let the world know about Shiba Inu. Like, comment to potentially win $100. So let's go guys. I want to just show you something right now. Shiba Inu is in a bearish reversal pattern known as a rising wedge, so it is losing a bit of support, a bit of downward momentum. But what we really want to see, and I literally just realized this today, which kind of just made me think, whoa, is that really the case? I went over here all the way back to the previous major bull run of 2021, where Shiba Inu went parabolic up to the all-time high. So I went over here and I had a little look and I was just thinking, well, you know, how many days did Shiba Inu actually trade sideways from when it hit the top to that first major correction? And your answer is actually, I got it a bit wrong the other day, it's 16 days. So from when it was up here, corrected down, it's 16 days. But what's even more mind-blowing is that it's 42% from that top to this bottom. The correction overall was 42%. It took 16 days. So why I want to instill there's still hope here, guys, and why not to like panic too much right now when Shiba is consolidating at this very integral level of support, which is actually really strong looking, by the way. We can see that something very interesting is happening. And when we look, we're on day 2, for example, but when we go to the top and look at the bottom on the price, look at that. 43%, very similar to what we literally just saw. Just check that is accurate. Yeah, so 43% on that correction that we saw just yesterday, similar to 2 years ago. But the only difference is here, it's been 2 days as opposed to 16 days. So maybe actually, you know, we could be looking at a Shiba consolidation in this tight range for 16 days. And you could speculate, well, as long as Shiba Inu can sit within this channel and trade in this channel here for 16 days, this would be really good for the price. If we can just sort of chill here between around 0.000025 and, sorry about the phone, and 0.000046, if we can chill in this range, this could ideally be really good for Shiba. And until it breaks through 0.000025, I'm not actually going to feel bearish until that happens. So right now is a good place, and it's in a good stage for more potential upside. And if we do get that next blast off, and if history repeats itself, everyone, you're looking at 0.000083 as a next bullish target on the bullish side of things. So that's really amazing if that happens, and I would love to see that happen. So let's see if this can unfold the same way. Let me know your predictions also down in the comments. But I think consolidating sideways, repeating history a little bit could go very well, and not rushing the process. Right now they want you to feel that kind of like disbelief and anxiety, but then when it takes off again, they want you to FOMO back in, and they want another round of retail money to go into Shiba Inu. So L Bank also have listed, you can see Leash Doge Killer to be listed on L Bank, which is kind of cool. And you can see Sheep token tagged in here. So that's pretty cool to see as well. And look, another thing that recently happened, Shiba Inu announces big Sheep name debut and airdrop for users. A snapshot will be utilized to airdrop updated new Sheep names. In a recent tweet, Shiba Inu announced the upcoming debut how do you even say that word, of Shiba Name Service, SNS, which is expected today. The long-awaited early access to Shiba Name tokens has finally arrived, stirring excitement within the Shiba Inu community. Shiba Inu announced the release of version 1.1 of the Shiba Name Service in a tweet on March 4 in preparation for the Epic event. Transfers of current name tokens were suspended for 2 hours on March 4 to capture a snapshot that would be utilized to airdrop the updated new Shiba names in partnered with D3 Inc. And you can see this is the official tweet right here from Shiba Token talking about that 1.1 version of the SNS which is coming, and it says tomorrow. So that was obviously yesterday now, but this is more news that maybe you're not aware of, and I thought I would just make you relevant and stay in the know of. So Shiba Inu is sitting at $20 billion market cap. To reflect on the last month of Shiba Inu, you can see it rose from $5 billion to $25 billion, so it did a 5x. Can you complain of a 5x? The chances of it now doing a 5x from where we are right now are heavily minimized. And of course, you'd be looking at realistically targeting the previous all-time high, 40 billion. So I think 2-3x is possible here. 5x, you're asking for a lot. But overall, I'm just trying to be realistic with my expectations here. I try not to have too much hopium and too much optimism, because it can lead to big disappointment in the market and also can lead to you holding for too long, which basically makes you lose money over time. Quick update with the rest of the market. Meme Combat went live. It's now trading at $0.5436. Holders are up 3x. Huge well done to the diamond hands out there still holding this token. You're in profit. Absolutely amazing to see. Got a link down below to the charts right there of Meme Combat. You know, I've been talking about it for a while, so it made sense to do an update video on it. I did one earlier, and just in the community talk about it. The next coin that I think could do well is Scotty the AI. By the way, guys, not financial advice, but you know, this is raising money so fast. $2.8 million out of $3 million raised. So 9 days, 14 hours, 36 minutes to go until public round 14 happens, and then the price goes up yet again. So pretty cool. Meme coin, where you've of course got Scotty being the character over here, could do pretty well. Good tokenomics of 1.7 billion tokens overall, so we could, like, you know, realistically see a dollar price. And in phase 3, it's teasing on centralized exchange listings. That is of course a bullish angle right there, and a bullish mission to achieve. And you know, there's going to be like also the Scotty swap launch, which could be a decentralized exchange. Don't forget, they've also got some staking that you can do for 63% per annum, which is pretty solid. So I really do like this particular token. But remember, guys, it's not financial advice. Do a bit of due diligence research with the link down below for Scotty AI breaking through 4,000 Twitter followers just recently. Solado Cash is another really cool one that we've looked at. Basically creating anonymous transactions within the Solana ecosystem. So this is of course a very big thing as well. We recently looked at it, and guess what? Another big win for you guys. If you got in early when we talked about it, you're up over 5x as well. So I'll leave a chart to this one down below, so you can also research it should you wish. And yeah, that's about a wrap with this video, guys. Remember, the Patreon is down below. Become a crypto legend to unlock all those big insights about coins like Solado, Smog, Meme Combat really early. Be the first to know. Unlock trading signals too to potentially make some money in these crypto markets, and get signed up with MEXC, where I do all my leverage and spot trading. I do it KYC free. So basically, you know, I'm anonymous still, and I think that's just the way crypto should be. It feels just right. The exchange never shuts down on me, never freezes like, you know, other exchanges do out there, like Coinbase can do every now and then when networks get busy. So yeah, all the links are down below to things you need. I hope this was an insightful Shiba Inu video. If you did learn something new today in this video, please subscribe to the channel. Help me achieve your crypto goals if that could be possible. And yeah, you know, let's see what's going to happen in these exciting times. Stay crypto safe. Peace.